Hi, this is Gemini Dar. I'm a Take Charge expert and I work with women and children to empower them. In my journey in my life, I have picked up small things and I've written a book called 9 Ways to Empower. Smiley, I really want you to share the way you have said no to a lot of things in your life and how it has helped you become a better and a more fulfilling and valuable person. Okay, I also want them to say hi to him.
This is her Khaleesi. This is little Khaleesi, who is a survivor. Again, a woman, a girl who I love animals to start off with.
I love them too. I have one at home too.
She went through a lot in life, but she survived because she was strong and because she was loved.
Yes.
So most importantly, I think I belong to a performing arts background. I come from, I've been a dancer, I've been an actor. I come from a family that is, of super achievers. My brother is a director, Mohit Suri. There's my uncle, Mahesh Bhatt, Mukesh Bhatt. So everyone in my family has done a lot in life.
So you're a lot of stars in your family.
Yes, a lot of stars.
And you yourself are one.
I'm a small
I believe
star.
you are because
Okay.
I've seen. It doesn't matter whether you're small or big. You know,
Yeah.
I speak to women about power beliefs.
Right.
So what you tell
Right.
yourself you are
Yeah.
are that. So
Okay,
don't
a
tell
big
yourself.
star.
Yeah, she's a big star. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, that's actually a really good thought. Gemini, the believing in what you are. There were a lot of times in my life when I felt let down, but the only thing that I had to do was pick myself up. My mother and father are not alive. I only have my brother and me. There were a lot of times I've had a lot of doors shut in my face. I've had a lot of rejection, faced a lot of doubts, had to say no to a lot of things, had a lot of peer pressure. But what I have this, when someone tells me, ये Smiley तुमसे नहीं होगा, I say नहीं ये मेरे से होगा. I make it happen.
You make it a challenge for yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm really sensitive, really emotional. So जब कोई मुझे बोलता है you will not be able to do this, ऐसे बस अभी तो मुझे ये करके दिखाना है. There are a lot of issues that I too have to I'm still fighting and I want to get over. But I think the only way in life to overcome them is to just be stronger and learn to say no. Learn to stand up for yourself, because if you won't stand up for yourself, no one will. And
I wanted all of the women who are watching us today
Yeah.
to know that you come from a very you come from a Bollywood background,
Right.
where you are exposed to drugs, you are exposed to a lot of things at a very young age,
Yeah.
and you've seen a lot of people go down in life just because they haven't chosen the right path.
Absolutely.
And I've seen that in you. You've been really down to earth. You've been a simple girl, and you have. The way I know you, I've seen you progress, and it always makes me smile when I see you on a TV show or something like that. But I know that you have said no to a lot of temptations, and even today when you do your aerial performances and stuff like that, I can see how you're working on your strength, and you are always trying to go a little bit ahead in life. So tell us, what are the kind of no's that you have said in life? Like when I wrote my book, I am talking about, I speak to women about telling no to drugs, no to abuse, no to doing things that you don't agree with morally in your mind.
Yeah.
So what are the kind of no's you have had to face?
Definitely no to bad company. My mother passed away at a very young age. I had my grandmother and my father taking care of me. So being a girl at 13, 14, the wrong company, saying no to alcohol, to drinks, to a lot of temptation. In our line of work, there was a lot of temptation, and I've said no to a lot of offers that maybe if I had said yes to, I'd be somewhere else. But I look at myself in the mirror. I'm proud of myself. I'm very happy to be who I am. I hope to be somewhere in life, and I know I will be there. I might take the longer route, but because I said no, I will take the longer route, but I will achieve what I want to achieve because I believe in myself. There are no shortcuts to fame, that I agree. But having said that, just keeping your head on your shoulders, not making the wrong friends. Your company really matters.
It does. Their circle of excellence is what they call it. If you have a
Yes.
circle of excellence, they say if you sleep with a dog, you smell like a dog. I
Yeah.
don't mind being selling because they are the most
the best, they're the best,
human.
yeah.
I mean, that is the best warmth that you can
Yeah.
get from them.
Unconditional
But
love,
yeah, I
yeah.
understand when you talk about company. Tell us some dreams of yours and some goals of yours that you have in life.
I definitely want to, like every actor, would want to win a nice award, be known for
Appreciated. You
Yeah,
want to be
appreciated,
appreciated.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm still waiting for the right offer, and I believe it will come sooner or later. Um, yes, I want to be. I want to be really loved, and love is, I think, a very important a need that all of us. I want to feel. I want to always
Special.
feel,
You want to
yeah.
feel special. You want to feel like a star.
Yeah, more than a star, I would like, like a day to come. Like, I always say that your biggest treasure is the friends you made and the people you touched. If you can be a hero to just one person every day, you can inspire, so many
Superb.
people along the way.
Superb.
And in a small way, if I can touch maybe someone's life or helps one person one day, maybe by the time the day I pass or the day I die, I'll have so many friends, and that'll be my biggest treasure. More than the money, more than anything that I've ever made, and it will give me and my generations to come so much to look up to.
I think we've spoken to Smiley and she shared some really simple things. And if you could take home just one or two of those, like, learning to say no, and how circle of friends are so important and how it has enhanced your life.
Yep.
I know you're working on some projects. I don't know whether you want to tell them about them right now, but I wish you all the luck.
Thank you.
All the best,
Thank
and then
you.
you're going to shine brighter than ever.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
all the best, Gemini, and you guys have to read this book, Empower Yourself, and get stronger.
Thank you.